Hello. Hmm. Hi, numbers. This guy. Am I right? Numbers, you super burp. You super burp. How about that? Show me what you have. For me, the loud ones take a while. I don't know. Sure. It really depends on how gassy I am. Numbers. I'm tired of your shit, bro. Numbers. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's all I'm good for. I get it. I get it. Can you belly roll? Like belly dancers? That'd be cool. I have no abs. I can tell you what, I can suck it in really good and I can let it out really good. Does that count? Bro, I'm drinking fucking cola. Alright? So let's see. Oh, and you know what else I have? Spicy soup juice. mm. Thank you! That made me so happy. I love those little things. What is spicy soup juice? I had some spicy soup and I ate all the noodles and I'm drinking the juice. The broth, whatever, not the juice. Yes. Zaddy. Sure, I could do that. I could do that. I'll burp in the I could burp over here. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I burped. I don't know if you guys heard it or not, but 7-second burps. 7-second burps only. Nothing less. This guy. He's all about the numbers. He's all about the numbers. Thank you. It ain't my artwork. I'm not an artist. I'm an artist of burps. Thanks for the gifts. Thanks for the gifts, numbers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sends a gift, demands more. You're great. You're great. Please hang in there. Stick around. Yeah, I know. Like, I need to experiment with different. The Sprite challenge was something else for me because Sprite is not my thing. I don't like I used to drink when I was little, but like it's just like not my thing. And when I had to chug that whole thing, I was like, "Oh, this sucks. This hurts." You know. That was for Garth. um Pizza and beer sometimes or anything spicy is like really best burp story. You guys already know my best burp story when I got kicked out of the bars. The legendary. Legendary. I don't think anyone could do that. These days, I challenge anyone to go into a bar, film it, burping, and getting kicked out at the same time. Actually, since COVID's a thing, I bet they would kick your ass out pretty quick. Katie's are good too, thank you. Katie's are great too, though. Some people like Katie more than they like me. I be on the forums. I'm a see all type of person. I know what's going on. Any other weird hidden talents? I'll think about that. Thanks, Garth. Yeah, Katie's can get pretty loud. Biggest burp in my life happened like every day of my fucking life. Every day. Yeah, I don't, people do say that, and I guess I is like a thing we never notice, but like as soon as she takes a sip, she does get going. So maybe she has a trick that I don't know about. Any other weird hidden talents? I mean, like I didn't even know that was a hidden talent. Like I was just being myself. But thank you for calling it a hidden talent. That's awesome. I've heard that a lot. Everyone in the comments are like, "You're so talented. You're so talented." Um, have I burped on her breakfast lately? No, no, sorry, I haven't. I burp on my own breakfast. Uh-oh, who's saying naughty things? Who's saying it? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you said a naughty word. And share it with me, please. I want to know what it was. I love it when people tell me to fart. Exactly. It doesn't go down, it just comes up. That's it. You think I have farts when all I have are burps? Like, let the farters be good at that. Like, that's not what I'm good at. Let them do that. Let the fart queens have their thing, and let us burp queens have our thing. Oh, I burp in public all the time. I burp in public all the time. I don't give a fuck. I won't lie though, sometimes I have to keep it in. I'm just trying to be nice, polite. Sometimes you just have to keep it in. Don't be a douche. There, I burped on command. Like, boom. This is not a burp. Can you define a burp? Define it now, bitch. Define it right now. Thank you for the fire. I'm on fire. I think I was more known for sneezing in high school and having huge tits. And a loser boyfriend. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.